This video is to show you how to make positives from your photograms. So when you create your photograms, what we're actually creating is a negative, which means everything is kind of exact opposite of what it really is. So when you put down your objects and expose the paper to light, since the objects block the paper, the objects turn up white, and so making a positive from it makes it the exact opposite, so that then your objects are the correct way of them being dark. So here's a couple examples of positives. So if you have not made your photograms yet, make sure you watch the video on how to create your photograms, because that is the first step. If you have not watched that video, then you'll be completely confused on what I'm talking about. So you have to have your photograms created in negative form, and they have to be completely dry. So you have to have them on the drying rack and have them completely dry before you can do this positives procedure. Just like before, all this would be happening with the lights off and just the reddish orange safe lights on, but so that you guys can actually see, I have the lights on right now. So again, lights would be off. So you take your dry photogram, and then what you're going to use for this is the contact printer. Again, this is the one with the piece of glass. And then you would grab a new piece of paper out of your box of paper. So what you're going to do is take your negative, and then take the new piece of paper. I'm going to use one of these so I don't ruin a piece of paper. And you're going to find that shiny side again. And again, we're going to have the shiny side up. So let's pretend this is a blank piece of paper. I found the shiny side. I put it up. I'm going to take my photogram that I created, and I'm going to put it face down on top of that. So it's shiny side to shiny side with the photo on top. The reason I want it on top is that when we put it in the contact printer and have the light shining through, we want the light to shine through this print to create a reverse copy of it onto the new piece of paper. So it has to be on top. I've had people do it before where they do it the other way. Well, then your photo just turns out black because it's just light on the back side of the paper compared to shining through this and creating the positive version. So photo on top, facing down, brand new piece of paper on the bottom, shiny side up. And then I'm going to put it in the contact printer, both pieces of paper underneath the glass. And the reason that you want them under the glass is so that it pinches them together so that there is no gaps in between both pieces of paper. If there's gaps, your positive will come out blurry. So we don't want that to happen. And then just like before, I am going to set the timer probably around 6 seconds is what will work good for you. And then I will just turn that light on for 6 seconds, making sure that the light hits the whole paper area so it's not just hitting part of it. And then once I've done that, I'm gonna put the piece of paper that I just exposed through the chemical process the exact same way I did the photogram negatives. So if you have not watched that video yet, again, then you aren't to this part. So watch that video and it'll explain the whole chemical process because it is the exact same.